What do the 2024 Ford Mustang dashboard warning and indicator lights signify? These lights provide important alerts about the vehicle's systems, ranging from maintenance reminders to urgent warnings, ensuring safe and efficient driving. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning lamp. Anti-lock brake system. Electric park brake warning lamp. Blind spot information system and cross-traffic alert warning lamp. Trunk ajar. Door ajar warning lamp. Engine coolant temperature warning lamp. Engine oil pressure warning lamp. Engine warning lamp. Fasten seatbelt warning lamp. Hill start assist. Ignition warning lamp. Lane keeping system warning lamp. Low beam warning. Low fuel level warning lamp. Parking brake warning lamp. Powertrain warning lamp. Stability control and traction control indicator. Driver alert, frost warning lamp. Tire pressure monitoring system, warning lamp, adaptive cruise control indicator. Auto start-stop indicators. Hood ajar. Automatic high beam control on indicator. Low washer fluid level. Drift brake. Cruise control indicator. Direction indicator. Lane centering. Launch control ready. Front fog lamp indicator. Launch control active. High beam headlamp indicator. Lamps on indicator. Launch control not ready. Launch control ready with traction control off. Launch control active with traction control off. Launch control not ready with traction control off. Overspeed warning. Reverse brake assist. Shift indicator. Auto hold active. Auto hold unavailable. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.